Hello Internet, I'm Gav.
I'm Dan.
And we've been trying to do this video for a long time. Last time we tried it, this happened.
Oh! God. I burnt my hand, didn't I?
Yeah, you did. So now what we've done is we've changed location, we've got a more powerful cooker, and it's really windy, which makes it even more dangerous than the last time we did it. So basically this video is what not to do in an oil fire situation. If you have a load of oil that's on fire, don't throw water on it because the water sinks through the oil, evaporates immediately on the surface of the pan, and throws all the oil upwards in a big flaming hot melty mess.
And
So
you will burn, yeah.
you will burn.
So I'm taking some more precautions this time with a face mask.
Yeah.
And I'm standing upwind of the fire.
Woo! All right, get that oil on. Oh, that's enough. Bloody hell.
You reckon?
Yeah.
We have fire.
It's on fire?
Yeah.
Bloody hell. Get the propane out of there.
Okay, let's do it.
Go for it. Dan, that looks amazing.
Yeah, that's unbelievable.
Amazing / terrifying.
Scary.
You may have noticed that we're actually 5,000 miles away from where we shot that video, but it's quieter here.
And
there's
greener.
less wind. Our original audio was wind noise, so we're doing another outro.
Yeah.
If you want to put out an oil fire, don't throw water on it. Soak a towel, dish towel or a tea towel, put it over the top of the pan, and should go out.
Also, don't sort of pour the oil onto your hand like I did in the previous video.
Don't do that either.
Right there.
That was right over there.
Yeah, don't do that.
Feel free to use this in a fire training educational video if you see this and want to use it. That's fine. Follow us on Twitter if you want. Buy a shirt.
Hello.
Got 3 shirts.
Yeah,
and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. How's your scar now?
Yeah, it's not too bad. Oh, no, it's this hand. No, look, you can see it still.
Let's have a look. Let's have a close up.
It's like this circle here is the main patch.
Healed up well.
Yeah, not bad. I'm impressed with it.